Hello guys, for this video we're gonna unboxing our new phone.
Jen's phone.
No,
Jen's
it's an
phone.
Apple phone. iPhone. Wow.
Jen's phone.
Wow. Apple. How many cameras?
Just 3, I guess. Oh, that's nice.
Wow.
Is that bigger?
Apple and California. Same?
Similar.
It's bigger than yours because you have a PC.
Yeah, but these like different shape.
Yeah.
Have a look.
Oh God.
The shape.
When you don't throw it.
I think more square, that one.
Yeah.
See, this is
Wow, look at the camera guys.
Yeah.
So this one is
12 Pro Max,
12 Pro Max and that one is
XS Max.
XS Max. Look,
So different shape.
yes, but
This is more square.
yeah,
This
but
is more bold.
compare the camera. Look how many lens in there.
I think bigger that, isn't it? Bigger this one. I'm not sure. Oh yeah.
Yeah, bigger.
It's bigger, yeah.
Mm,
Pro Max is bigger.
yep. Oh, so flashy. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is whole one lens there.
How about that?
Selfie is going to be charger.
And then we got
Headset.
no, not the headset. I think I got the iPod extended already. This is just the for the SIM card, you know.
Oh, okay.
The
So
pin,
yeah.
the pin.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow, Apple Pro Max.
Yeah,
Mm.
that's nice. Let's
Yeah.
open this
Wow,
one.
yes. Apple. An apple a day keep the doctor away.
Yeah.
So you're gonna buy
I
an
choose
apple.
white because I always have rose gold,
Yeah,
rose gold. So
For a change.
for the chains, I choose white because I like white too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice. Let's see.
Yes, you need to put the protector already or it's already there.
Not yet, but I will. I will put it.
Mm.
I will go to the shop.
Why do you like an apple? What
Because
is
it's really easy using Apple. I get used to Apple.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really easy for me to use Apple compare than Samsung.
Samsung.
Yeah.
For me, I like more Samsung because I used to it too.
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah.
good in Apple.
I'm not good in Samsung.
Yeah.
I'm good in Apple.
That's right. So we are different. What likes?
Wow,
So there you go.
really big.
Heavy too.
No, it's really
Light.
light.
Oh,
Heavy. This one.
too
Feel it.
light. No? Yeah.
Yeah. This Pro Max is heavier.
That one
This
is
very
Pro
light.
Max.
This is Pro Max. This is XS Max.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So this is the latest. This is the latest model, guys. So we will try the selfie later. Waiting for other iPhone.
We set up.
Mm.
So we just
Yeah, transfer
Yeah.
we transfer the information to the new phone.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
No,
No.
not yet.
Okay, I will use my.
Data. You have data?
I have my
Yeah.
hotspot here.
Okay.
I need network.
You can use mine. This one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Hamana ka?
Yeah.
Oh, that one is Shane or that's mine?
Gens. That's you.
That's my Galaxy.
S21. What's
But
the
that's is like more on what you call that here is normal in here. You know?
Yeah.
If you have your job, you can get whatever you want, isn't it?
Why is not? Is that yours or that one?
No, that one is the Shane one.
This
so
one yours?
This one mine.
Oh,
Not
okay.
if mine is. No.
No. Where is yours? This one?
Yeah, but this one is more fast.
Okay.
821, the one before.
Yeah.
Cause this is still Stra. Mine is Optus.
So 2 numbers you have?
Shane and mine.
That same phone?
Used to be mine, but I give it to him. connection, and then mobile.
Hello. It's
Vaccine.
okay.
That one.
Star
Yeah,
S
5754.
5754. I really like this phone.
No? Not
Hang
connected.
on. No.
Oh, shoot. How, what happened?
Turn on. Turn on
The
the
mobile data is on.
yeah, turn on the hotspot. Go to that one. Where is the hotspot code?
That one before, remember?
Yeah. Okay.
Utah is.
Oh, that is Gen 21.
Oh,
so
shit,
hang
sorry.
on. It's alright. That's why. No.
Yeah, mix up. We
Five.
mix it up.
7, 5, 4.
Yes. Hopefully.
Tomorrow, yes. Yeah.
Nothing else. So,
So we drink vodka.
vodka. You know vodka? Pepsi. Pepsi is life.
You're busy.
You're right, mister. You have some rest now, Bob.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, you been all
Leah,
right?
get a
How's
new
work?
phone.
Did you find your phone?
Yes.
Apple.
Oh, I don't like it.
I like Apple.
I used to have Apple, and then they bring in a new one 6 months later. Then 3 months later, they bring in another new one.
Yeah.
What's like that?
So you got to switch
Same
it.
with Samsung, darling.
My Samsung don't bring in one every 5 minutes.
But here,
Apple
we have
does. Apple
different.
customers,
We have different type of.
Apple customers used to get really talky because they used to do a release every 6 months.
Same with Samsung.
And there's a lot of Apple phones, and Apple was smart because they slow the old phone down.
Yeah.
The 6-month-old one, they'd slow it down deliberately. And you know what? They just went to court over it. And they got to pay a lot of people's money. Because people were buying.
Okay.
They're going, oh, you have to update your super phone, you know, the new data is affecting your phone.
Okay.
But you know,
You
they
have
do
some rest now.
it looks nice, that one.
It's very
Yeah,
light.
yeah. And it's gonna connect with the Apple Watch.
Is this an Apple one too?
Yes.
Yeah, Apple
Yeah.
Access Max. That's 2 years I had that.
2 years, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I reckon you get out of the phone. 2 years before you get a new one. I used to do that every 2 years, get a new one.
Yeah.
I think you're lucky if you aren't, because you use it so much, and it gets dropped, bang, in your pocket, scratched, everything like that.
It depends how you look
Depend
after
how
it.
you look. Mine is still really good, but my what's the call? My nephew wants
Your phone.
phone. Not new. He
Ah,
was
yeah.
asking like, can I have your phone? Okay, and then I get new phone. Then.
The data
Yeah.
is very low, no?
My data.
No,
See,
the internet.
Jen gets a new phone, I get the hand down.
It's alright.
No, but I don't use it much anymore.
Yeah. When after this one, if there's new one, I'll get a new one, and this is
Yeah,
yours.
same with Ryan. Sometimes.
Okay.
We don't like phones.
Yeah, Ryan use mine, my old one. Yeah.
Yeah, most of the time we're not interested. Girls have got to keep up to date.
Oh.
Yes, because
Unhappy wife.
unhappy life.
Yeah. That's right. That's right.
That's why we married for a foreigner. What's the use of the foreigner? To pay the bills, to travel,
Clean,
to buy a Louis Vuitton,
they're clean.
to clean.
Yeah.
I love you long time. So we're transferring the same card now to the new phone. Yay. Yay, yay, yay.
Yeah.
Well, that's the one that the man is looking for. Remember last time? Yeah. Nice nails. Pink. Oh, new phone. Apple Pro Max. Where's the? There's no iPhone. Even the casing is really good. Ah, the chargers is only like you can connect the adapter, no? There's no adapter, just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this.
Yeah,
Just connect through the.
yeah. You can connect to. I have the adapter at home. That's what iPhone. They're very stingy. iPhone. I had to buy this and that separate.
Yeah, it's not free, but at least there's no headset too.
There's no headset now.
There's no free headset.
Yeah. It used to, remember?
Yeah,
No.
mine has a headset.
I don't know. Now it's not. Used to, but I got my
Yeah.
iPod.
True,
I don't use them.
but it's just use the.
Because my phone
Oh,
for 2 years.
wow, for 2 years. Ours will take 5 years. Saglit. Wind.
Oh yeah. Oh no, there's no adapter.
No, no. It won't fit there.
Very elegant, isn't it?
Yes, and
Okay. Apple always make something elegant. That's what I like Apple.
yeah, everyone has a cup of tea, you know.
Yeah.
Like,
Different cup of tea. You like sugar.
yeah, they,
Someone doesn't like sugar. SOS.
wow. Your phone. Pin niya ka na yan. So what's next? No, that's all. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So
Okay.
there you go. That's so quick.